In this video, I'm going to show you how to save different file formats in Adobe Photoshop. So once you have a file that you are happy with, go to the top left, go to File, go to Save As, and you're given lots of different options. So by default, you're given a PSD. So Adobe Photoshop document will save the document with all the layers and all the layer information. So what I would like you to do is make sure that the Layers button is selected, hit OK. Okay, so that will save a Photoshop version. You go back to the Photoshop version if you want the layered version. Go back to Save As, select the drop-down menu, save a JPEG. So JPEGs are compressed, but they're good for sending to people to get a quick idea. So make the file as large as possible and go to Baseline, Optimized, hit OK, and then save as a JPEG. Go File, Save As, select the drop-down menu, go to TIFF, turn off layers and save as a copy, and hit save. Now, three different file systems. Make sure it's on None, Interleaved, IBM PC, and hit OK. So if I show you the different file size system, the file sizes, I should say, you will notice that if I change this here, the Photoshop document is 67 megabytes, the TIFF is 35 megabytes, the JPEG is just 4 megabytes, so three different file types for three very different reasons. So we have the layered Photoshop file, the TIFF, which is quite large, and the JPEG.